afternoon, Denise. Hey guys. Jeremy here from RV DogVentures. Working on a little project last fall when I winterized the motorhome. I found out that I can't winterize the hot water side of the water system without filling the entire hot water heater, which is stupid. But that's the way our motorhome was designed. So that meant I had to fill the whole thing, get all kinds of antifreeze, fill the whole thing, and then empty it out. And water heaters, typical Atwood water heater like we have, the drain valve is really tough to get to. So what I had done so that I could save that antifreeze that came out of there, because I didn't want to just dump all that on the ground. I didn't have a way to collect it. So I created this hose that I used, but it's just regular RV water hose, and I don't know if it's good hose. It's not a great, it was just kind of a temporary fix just so I could empty that thing out and collect as much of the antifreeze as possible. So I wanted to upgrade that before I actually pressurized the water system this year. So went and got some good braided hose and a shut off cock. Go ahead and laugh if you must. So that'll go on the end of the hose, and brass fitting, hose clamps. So just gonna make a new hose here real quick. Alright, so typical Atwood water heater. This was brand new last August, and I'm sure everybody has one pretty similar to this. Why they make the drain valve so impossible to get to behind that gas line and everything else, I have no idea, but I can't get this screwed in there because the hose clamp is in the way. So now I got to take the whole thing back apart. Not a big deal, obviously, but take it back apart, put the fitting in, then put the hose clamp on, put the hose on, then the hose clamp. So see how this goes. Alright, had to go back to the hardware store to get a different thing because it wouldn't fit in there with the hose clamp. So plus, I mean, what kind of a project would it be if it didn't require at least 2 trips to the hardware store? Let's see if it works.